How do you log into Venmo app on iPad? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can log into Venmo on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to log into the Venmo application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Venmo application here. Once you launch the Venmo application, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you'll find either the create account or the login option. Now if you have not yet created a Venmo account, you can just tap the create account option over here, and then you'll find the login option if you have already created an account, and I'm assuming you have already created the account. So go and tap the login option that you can find here, and it will ask you to enter your email and password. So make sure to go ahead and then enter your email address, username or your phone number that you used to sign up to your Venmo account over here. After that, you can also make sure to go ahead and then enter your password. Tap the submit option from the top right. If your details are correct, you'll get successfully signed in. If your details are incorrect and then you forgot your password, then you can also tap the forgot your password link over here in order to go and reset your password accordingly. This way you'll be able to log into Venmo app on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.